Hi, I'm Mehdi from Sunny Bliss Plumbing Air. Quick one on AC maintenance in Miami. The thing everyone skips until the system dies in the middle of July. Think of it like a yearly checkup. Your AC might seem fine, but in Miami's heat and humidity, it's running harder and longer than almost anywhere in the country. A little preventive care keeps it efficient, keeps your bill down and your electric bill, and adds years to the unit. When you do an AC tune-up, you're not just swapping a filter. We clean the coil, check refrigerant pressures, tighten electrical connections, clear condensate drain lines, the one that loves to clog in our humidity and flood the closet. And we calibrate the thermostat. We document everything so we can catch small problem before it becomes a 95-degree emergency. We've maintained South Florida systems since 1990, licensed in Florida. Want to stay cool and avoid surprise breakdown? Call us and let us get you on the schedule.